In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Goddess Provisions monthly box for February. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure that you subscribe, that way you'll never miss out on another video. I changed up a little bit of my set. Let me know what you guys think. I'm really liking it. I just don't know if I'm completely done with it. I still want to mess around with it, play around with it. If you guys have ideas, let me know. Today we're going to be diving into the February box for Goddess Provisions. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. This box is about $33 a month, and you can get discounts if you get like a 6-month or 12-month plan. They plant a tree for every single box that is sold. There's always like $100 to $200 worth of items in here. If you guys have seen me unbox, sometimes like it goes so above beyond that $33 a month, and I love it. What else do I want to mention? All their products are vegan and cruelty-free, and they range from spiritual items to oils to crystals to jewelry to tarot decks to oracle decks. Oh my gosh, it has expanded so much of my spirituality, and it makes it fun because I get to research new things, learn new things, play around with new things. It's so fun. But let's get into this month's box. So here is what it looks like inside, very purpley. But you guys know I like to dig all the way down to the bottom and pick out that card. I have these cards all over my fridge. A lot of you guys have been asking for like a fridge tour. I might do a quick little shorts on it to show you what my fridge looks like. But rest to refresh the soul. This is so cute. Now, I like to use these on my fridge, my journal. I feel like planting seeds in your subconscious is something everybody should do, and your environment, your aesthetics, your visuals are so important. So I like to just keep these everywhere. And then inside they show you what's in there, any discount codes that they have. So I'm excited to dive into here. Now, the first thing that I see here is in this little box, and it says Wax Seal Set, Lunar Insight Stamp. If this is what I think it is, I have been wanting this since I was a kid. Like a little stamp sealing thing. I don't know, is it? Let me see. Yes, it is. Oh my gosh. So I'm very excited to get into this. So they wrapped it up really, really nice here. And I think that this is also some stamps, I think. Very, very cute. There's patterns on here, and then there's a sealer. And in the sealer, there's an evil eye and a moon. So if you guys can see the moon and this evil eye right there, and it's a little wax stamper thingy. I also gave these two. I think this is what the wax is, but look how cute the pattern, the print on this. So this 3-piece set right here, it's a wax seal set, and it has gold and purple wax candles with the Lunar Insight stamp to seal your letters. I'm so excited to use this. I feel like I will practice on a lot of your packages. If you guys are Etsy customers, you might be seeing this. And this is a $15 value, which I think is such a good deal. Such a good deal. I can't wait to use this. Can't wait to get into it. Now, if you guys are somebody that struggle with being very chaotic in your mind, and you have intrusive thoughts, and you have just a lot of thoughts that may spiral, downwards a lot, this is something that's very, very good to have. It's a new activity to try and learn about, explore, and just have fun with, because it's a grounding thing. Because what are you doing? You're working with wax, you're working with tools, wood, your hands, your mind. You have no choice but to focus in that moment. So your mind is not going to be wandering. It's focusing in that moment, and then it's just very blissful. The next thing that I see right here is Wild Blueberry Cacao. Okay, craft chocolate. I think this is like blueberry hot chocolate. So I had a very horrible experience when I was in like 2nd grade with blueberries, and I never ate blueberries again. Till this day, just the smell of blueberries, I feel like I'm gonna throw up, because I did throw up when I was little, and I always associate blueberries with throwing up. So I could already feel it in my, did you see? I could already feel it in my throat. But it doesn't smell like blueberry. I'm not gonna open it right now, because I might do like a little spell with it, but it's definitely chocolate. I've been saving a few of my chocolates that I've gotten because I want to teach you guys how to spell it, or work your chocolate, or like infuse your chocolate with some magic. So I'm going to open that when I do that video, but I don't smell any blueberry. I'm kind of excited to try it, because that's a very toxic thought in my mind that I associate with blueberries. but millions of people eat blueberries, so I'll be fine if I eat a blueberry. I just, have to try it. Now, this blueberry chocolate is a $7.20 value. Not bad at all. I feel like it's like a gourmet, exotic blueberry chocolate. Come on. And then they also do give you 20% off on their store if you want to go like try out other stuff, which I do want to check out what they have. The next thing that I see here is Cheeky Botanica Forest Bathe Evergreen Mist. Ooh. Okay, yes. Oh my god, it smells like you literally walked into a rainforest. Ooh, if you guys ever been to like an excursion or a resort where you are about to go like zip lining or something, that's what it smells like through the forest, trees. If you ever been to Muir Woods, oh, I love this. I'm gonna spray my whole house with this. This is so uplifting. The smell of trees, for me lately, it's just been trees. Trees are my therapy. This smells really, really good. So there is fir, needle, pine, cedarwood, cinnamon, clove, orange. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. I wish you could smell it through the camera. But this spray right here is a $32 value, but holy shit, I would pay $32 for this. Oh my god, but I mean, I can make my own. I would pay for this. And they also give you 25% off in their store, but this smells so good. So for anybody, like I said, if you have chaotic mind, a lot of stress, anxiety, you're very up here. What that means, what our body is signaling to us in that moment is that we need to ground ourselves. I always say as above, so below. Our crown chakra and our root chakra. So we need to balance both of those, because if we're too much in our crown, we're crazy. If we're too much in our roots, we're also crazy and just very trying to frantically get everything done and becoming a workaholic. But we could get into that deeper later, but it's always important to ground yourself. When you're too much here, you need to connect with earth. And what better way to connect with earth when literally earth? Spray it around yourself. I can already feel myself so at peace and grounded. It's insane what the scents of these earthly trees can do. Like, it's just very, very beautiful. And it's grounding. Like, I'm sure you could see the transition from when I started the video to right now. Very grounded, and I just feel calm and relaxed right after spraying this. Next thing I see here, it looks like this. It says a retreat journal. This is really cute, very well made. It feels like velvet on the front. It's really pretty. Okay, so inside, this is really nice. For a lot of us that maybe are busy and we cannot go on a retreat, actually, this is an inner retreat right here. I can tell. Oh my gosh. So benefits of retreating, my retreat intention, my retreat vision statement. Why am I taking this retreat? And remember, retreat doesn't have to be a vacation or something like that. It could be in your sacred, safe space in front of your altar, or in your sacred space right inside of your bathtub. You have to create your retreat, and a retreat is something where you kind of just slow down. In my opinion, in my eyes. So I feel like I'm going to use the heck out of this book. I might even share on Patreon how I use it and stuff. I'm very excited for this. I love this. I love the idea of this. So this retreat journal is a $22 value, and I just love it. I love the idea of it. I'm so excited to dive in and also incorporate this into my Patreon if you guys are members. Journal prompts, guidance, inspiration, just packed with all of it. I love this thing. $22, but from what I can glimpse into it, very therapeutic, very helpful. Love this. For a lot of you that may be wanting to get more in tune or heal a lot of your shadow self and a lot of the ego, I feel like this is going to be so, so good. I'm excited. The next thing I see here, it says magical memos. So it looks like memo cards, which, ooh, I might even use these for Etsy. If you guys are Etsy customers, I might send this to you. But there's a few. Okay, I love this. There's different kinds. Do you guys see? Okay, so it says I can see your future, and then there's some with a butterfly on it. There's one with the sun on it, and inside it says, oh, so this one, I think they might each say different things. This one says, my darling, whatever you focus on will become your reality. Love this, right? Such positive messages. This one's blank. This one's blank, and I think this one might be blank. Yeah, so that's the only one that had writing in it. I really, really like this. They come with envelopes, and these would just be really good thank you cards, or even shit, I'd cut them out and put it in my fridge, honestly. So this is a set of memo cards, greeting cards that is a $12 value. Beautiful. Like I might just keep them. Is that bad? The last thing I see in here is a stone, and it looks like very dark and mahogany, bloodstone. If you guys can see that, bloodstone, mahogany, like garnet, ruby-ish looking stone. So this is a red tiger's eye. I do not own a red tiger's eye at all. I love this. And it's connecting to your root chakra and welcoming balance into your life with this calming and centering stone. So I feel like the whole theme of this box is root chakra and grounding yourself and calming yourself and really bringing yourself back into your own body, all of your senses, your thoughts back into your own body, so it's not stuck in the past or not stuck in the future. And this is really nice because I feel like a lot of my issues that I'm dealing with in my personal life have a lot to do with my root chakra again. But again, we have to keep breaking the cycle, right? So if you guys want more in-depth like of my journey, you can head over to Patreon. You can get more of that over there. But this crystal is a $4 value. Very nicely tumbled, polished crystal. Very pretty. And so that was everything in the box. Well worth your money. They also give you a $12.99 spiritual tools for your mystical life, like digital download. So you just have to go enter the code or scan this thing right here, and they give you this $12.99 digital offering, which I love the digital things because anytime that I have downtime or I feel like I'm getting too anxious or something, I need my mind to focus on something good. So I like to take those digital downloads then. And so that is everything in the box. If you guys are interested, I have the link down below, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you very, very soon.